gonna call up some of my buddies and a few of the ladies I know. I'm gonna rent a hall and get them all put on a heck of a show. Make sure we got a kitchen.
What are we here to do?
We are here to do the IKEA challenge, a game we made up. Can my people describe it?
It's where I run around doing seeds in the different rooms.
Is IKEA gonna like this?
No. I don't know. I like it.
Will you be arrested?
Yes. I'm loving it. You guys don't even have real jobs here. So, how'd you guys do on your test? I got an F. I got an F. I got an F. Go to your rooms now. Which one? So, how'd you guys do your final exams today? I got an F. I got an F. I got an F. All three of you go to your room right now. Which one? This one? No. This one? Nope. This one? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. Let's watch a movie. Yeah. We can't. IKEA's kicking down. Hashtag movies at IKEA.
I'm gonna call up some of my buddies and a few of the ladies I know. I'm gonna rent a hall and get them all put on a heck of a show. Make sure we got a kitchen.